The box. You opened it. I came. The box. You opened it. I came.
Hey, welcome in. Hi, Deck. Hey, Jamie. Hey, Ardos. How we all doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hope you're ready for some just chilled vibes. You're old. Fuck you, Lewis. I love how you've come back just to specifically say that. Fuck you. I'm glad to not be at work. Same. Oh my god. Hey, happy day before getting old day. Yeah, it's my birth eve. As I keep telling Greg, it's pissing him off, but I keep saying to him it's my birth eve. Hey, birthday twin. Hey, DFL. Yeah, I thought you, like, I reread the message the other day. I was like, wait, it's his birthday on Sunday. So yeah, we've both got the same day. Do you still get, do you also get, like, crap Christmas presents gifted to you on your birthday? That people don't want? Because honestly, it happens way too much. How is everyone? How's everyone's day going? I feel like it shouldn't be 3 o'clock. I feel like it should be like 12 o'clock right now. I feel like the day's like just started. I don't get why it's just gone so fast. Oh. But it's just gonna be a nice chill stream today. What have we all been up to today? I've got bad news, by the way. Well, not bad news, but I'm kind of annoyed at myself. Right, I've got a save on this game, and I went back to play that save. Basically I opened the wrong save, and I opened this one by mistake. So I've accidentally almost completed this area of the map on this save without you guys. No, I didn't overwrite it. I've completed some of the game off stream, and I didn't mean to. I thought I opened the right one, but no, I clearly didn't. I opened this one by mistake. So
when does it stop?
I haven't lost anything. I don't have to replay anything. If anything, the complete opposite. I've accidentally played some of the game. But I'm sorry, like, to be fair, like, it's not massive. I think it only upped the game by 1%. But I am annoyed at myself for it. I got some things that I really needed, like, do you know the colour swapper gun? I've got a red brick now where the colour always shoots the right one out. You'll have to start again. It's fine. We understand. Absolutely the fuck not. No chance. Right. Without further ado, let's get some tunes going. Let me know if the music's too loud or not loud enough, guys. Shiny hunting. Oh, Pokemon again, Jamie. How daring. Okay. So in this area, I think what we'll do today, we won't play any levels. We'll just focus on free roaming. So we've got 7 characters left to get, 1 vehicle to rob, 1 vehicle robbery to stop, and then this area's done. So let's do it, girls.
My dogs are barking. Ow!
Tune. Just let me know if it's too loud, guys. That emote is perfectly in sync, Deck. Fair play. So yeah, sorry guys, I've played some of this game without you. Please try not to feel like I've cheated on you. I feel like I have, to be honest. I didn't mean to. But I still look like a twink, right, guys? I'm still a twink. I'm like, why can I hear Anastasia? Is my Spotify on then? I was like, oh, yes, you remembered what game we're playing, Deck.
Where am I?
I think there's... Yes, you are. I'm still a twink. Okay, thanks, DFL. Because if Ken was here, he'd say I'm not a twink anymore. So I appreciate that. I think there's a vehicle robbery somewhere down here. Notice I haven't got in a car yet. I was served by a twink earlier who would make you look as old as Ken. Fuck off. That is not what I need right now, Artos, you bitch. Right, now I'm getting in the car. I'm still a twink. But thanks, DFL. I'm glad someone at least is nice to me. Why do I feel like you have had a haircut? I have not. I've just styled my hair a bit differently. I had a shower today and like just restyled it because it needed a change.
I am so cold. I need another holiday.
My hair really needed a change, so. I swear there's like a car to rob
I
around
am
here.
so full.
What's that? But I am annoyed. I didn't mean to like play the wrong save. It happens though. It was just an accident. Right, this is it. This must be the car we got to rob. I have 120 shiny Pokemon in the game now. I am balling. Well done, Jamie. You're actually good at something. That's mental. I might be stupid. I swear this is so cruel. No, no. Well, you do look even more twinkier. Well, with this hairstyle. Okay, I'll take that.
Where is she?
Are they big balls?
There. That's it. I'm done.
Is there anything?
Where am I?
Something up there.
Someone's got a birthday, I wonder who. Someone's got a birthday, I wonder who. Someone's got a birthday,
haven't
I
already
wonder
mentioned it a
who.
million times.
Someone's got a birthday, I wonder who. 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 Someone's got a birthday, I wonder who.
It's me!
Someone's got a birthday, I
I'm
wonder
turning
who.
26.
Tits.
Hi Ken, how you doing? Welcome in. I hope you're having a good day. Is what fixed, Jamie? Okay. Beep. Can we not? Ah, come on, it's my birthday. You're meant to be nice to me. Right, it's not actually my birthday, but it's the day before my birthday. It's my birthday eve. You gotta be nice to me. I haven't heard it, so I wondered. Oh, no, it still works. I'm waiting for it to just die. Why can't it just die? I'm not talking about Greg Eve. Oh, wait.
Don't you just die?
Yes, Zardos, agreed. It's your birthday stream, I know. It's my birthday for this stream. There she is. Yeah, there she is. Bestie. Come on, guys, it's my birthday. Don't be mean.
I hate going to the dentist.
Oh.
Let's see what else there is around you. It's a nightmare to 100% this game because there's just so much to look for. In lovely HD quality surround sound, glares at Ken. Everyone just glare at Ken for being an evil bastard. Is there anything up there? Because I want to at least complete this area of the map. If we can complete Cherry Tree Hills, I'll be happy. We've got 6 characters and like 2 other things to do, and then the area's done. Wait, it's your birthday? When did you say? I've said a lot, Ken. It's not my fault you're so old that you can't hear anymore. I know, old age doesn't come alone, Ken, but just gonna have to try and put the effort in to listen to me, okay? Bitch.
I'm so tired.
Don't really care about the rainbow bricks that much, to be honest. Okay. The eating you're going, won't get to be... Hey! Okay, come beat me then. I'm sure you'd love to give me a good beating, Ken. I was gonna say, the eating? Bitch, I'd starve myself if I could.
The diet that stops me eating chocolate.
There's gotta be like another doghouse to build, but that could be it. How the fuck does a phone autocorrect way to eat it? I don't know. Maybe your phone's just as broken as you are, Ken. Thanks, Jamie.
Diank just redeemed hydrate.
What, this song? What do you mean, Ardos? This song, or...? I swear I saw another question mark. Oh. No, Ken's auto. Oh, right, okay. Oh, why that? That's so annoying. Why is it just spawned all the way over there? Can it not just be a little bit closer to me? Is the audio okay, guys? The music is loud enough. I'm loud enough. The game is loud enough. Everything's balanced, okay? No one say anything. Fuck off, Vardos! Let's not talk about the beep for one stream. Hi, Cars. How are you doing? Werewolf. I can finally be a furry, so you guys can shut up. Hello, birthday boy. Not quite yet. No, but close enough, Zach. How are you doing? Welcome in. I hope you're doing alright.
What was it called again?
Everyone's popping in today. It's so nice. Zach, thanks for the resub. 5 months. It does
Zach
not feel like 5 months.
2504 just subscribed for 5 months.
It does not feel like 5 months. Thanks for the resub. Hope you're doing good, Kaz. Welcome in as well.
Hey, you.
It's a good job you aren't an hostage negotiator.
Sorry, police business.
I can't even imagine Ken as one. Fuck's sake, I turned a bit too soon. No one needs to say a thing. Wrong character. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Yeah, I'm pretty good, thanks. Just like good vibes, really. A bit up and down mentally lately, I won't lie, but I'm doing good at the minute, so that's something. Is it nice that everyone is popping in? Yeah! Yeah, it is, Ken. Sadly, they're not literally popping in me, as you probably want. But, it is nice.
Hey, I just said
There is no negotiating with Ken. It's far easier to just accept your fate. What is my fate, Ken? Apart from eternal damnation. Jesus, thanks for the gifted sub there, Deck. Thank you. You set off a hype train, guys. I don't know how already, because we've only had 2 subs. I don't know what the boundaries are, but we're on a hype train, guys. We're currently 62% through level 1. So if you want to contribute, you've got over 4 minutes to either give 600 bits or 2 subs. It's up to you if you want to. I am a birthday boy, though. Does the bridge count as a part of Lego City? No, it doesn't. Okay. Ardos, thanks for the 100 bits. Eternal damn it. Oh, fuck you. Hey, there you go. Thanks for the present. I was meant to bring cake with me today. Sorry, guys. Thanks for the 300 bits, Ken. Oh. Thanks for the cake. Oh. Wow, for once cake tastes really nice from you, Ken. Oh fuck, what the heck? That reminds me, I did promise I'd have some drinks on stream with you guys, so maybe I'll grab some Disaronno in a minute. Thanks, Jamie.
Diank just redeemed hydrate.
What did you just get, Deck? What did you just get? Oh no! Jesus Christ! Oh, Mother Mia. Love Mother Mia.
this is an emergency.
Love Mary. Oh, of course you're happy, Ken. Anything that, like... Oh, thanks for the 10 bits original. Thanks for keeping the stream. Believe me, what me and Greg got up to last night, he needs a clean. Jesus Christ. Oh, there. Why did it give you that one for free? Mailman. Don't need to take a photo. Don't pretend you're not jealous, Ken. Super. Is there anything? Money.
Sorry, it's an
I wanted
emergency.
a decent car.
Sure, I trust.
I know like there's a vehicle robbery segment somewhere down here. Zach, thanks for the 125 bits. Thanks for cheering the cakes. I appreciate that. I appreciate that so much, Zach. Thanks for that. I'm gonna quickly just go and grab some alcohol. I'll quickly be right back.
Oh, I should not have eaten that whole box of donuts. This is going to be a long day.
Okay, we got 30 seconds left of the hype train, guys. We're nearly at the end of level 1. We need either 65 more bits or 1 sub to get through level 1 if you want to contribute. You got 20 seconds. I got Malibu. One of the best alcoholic beverages ever.
So glad I'm able to let you see.
That is pure Malibu. Jesus, I think I poured a bit too much in. Okay. I know there's like a vehicle robbery segment somewhere around here. Okay. Thanks, Ken. You know I love my coconuts. Tastes just like Malibu. Coconut to go with your coconut. Hey, I appreciate it. I love that white stuff. See if there's a way.
Happy almost birthday to you. Happy almost birthday to you. Happy almost 26th birthday to you. Happy almost birthday to you.
Pesky bee.
Fuck you, Ardos. You made me fuck that up. Fuck you, Ardos. I am 25 right now. Okay? 25. I'm a twink. Unlike Ken. I thought I fixed that before posting. Fuck you. I'm still everyone's favourite twink. Otherwise you wouldn't be here all the time. You guys just love bullying me. will get better at driving when you turn 26. Almost definitely not. Me get better at driving? That's never gonna happen, is it? Let's be fair. And look, if I wasn't gonna say it, you guys definitely were gonna say it, so I'd rather be the one to say it. Hey Sci-Fi, welcome in. How you doing? Are you working today? I'm 26, and I'd say probably not. Yeah, I'm never gonna be a good driver, guys. Let's be fair. I like George Michael, but I'm not feeling the song. Sorry, Watney, not today. No, 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 no. Yeah, okay, this song's... I think this song matches a lot of you guys in personality. No, I'm off. Nice! Just for today, Sci-Fi? Okay, never mind, we've been there. To anyone joining the stream just now, I've already said, but I've got a save on this game that I play casually, and I've accidentally mixed the save up. So I've accidentally completed some of this save without you guys. I am sorry, but it's not too much, okay? It's not been too much, so don't be angry. The big bad H word. Hello, just popping in to say happy birthday for tomorrow. Thank you, H. I really appreciate that. Ken's been really mean to me since he's been in the stream, but that means a lot. Thanks for popping in to say that. But so Ken out for me. He's so mean today. I don't get why. It will, Sci-Fi, 100%. It's gonna have its own story arc. Oh, you get back in the kitchen. Oh, don't talk to H like that. We love H more than you. I really thought it would be around here. Steph got all your love letters. Yes, I did. Thanks for sending them in Slime Rancher, H. Less than 24 hours till Twink death. Nah, I'm still gonna be a Twink. I have to be to piss Ken off. I need to still be a Twink. Right, let's move on to a different part of the map. I'm kind of done with this part of the map. We've only got like 5 things left to do, but...
Why isn't it Saturday yet? This week is going so slow.
Yeah, okay, let's do Auburn, because we haven't done that much of the map. That part of the map. You'll be a Twink forever. Thanks, Original! I'll take it, because honestly,
Police business.
all I've heard is the opposite. I need to piss Ken off, and no other reasons. Oh good, I was worried they might get intercepted by a bit of X-Twink. Believe me, he's just been constantly bitter lately. Gonna have to like put him to sleep or something. It'd be a blessing for all of us. Leave me alone, you big meanies. No, you're usually the meanie, Ken, so fuck you. You deserve a bit of your own medicine. See what's around here. Shit, there's quite a lot around here. Disguise token. Thanks, Jamie.
Diank just redeemed hydrate.
Is anyone else having an alcohol, or is it just me? Anyone else who having alcohol with me? Come on, one of you's gonna be drinking. It's not that early. Come on. Ken is one of the nicest people here, along with... Did you see the side-eye Dex giving you? That's how we all feel about what you've just said. Judging. This makes me think of like food shopping ads. Well, this song, why? Seriously, this is what this song makes you think of. That's so bizarre. It's a good song. What? Ugh, I don't know why he's not jumping properly. Yeah, they used the song in an ad, I'm sure of it. Oh, fair enough. Okay then. I just thought you meant adverts in general. I was so confused. Hey, you can build something. First time in ages. Alas, my liver in its current state of recovery is not accepting alcohol at this moment. Fair enough, okay. Is it just me, guys? Is anyone else having any alcohol right now? Come on, there's gotta be one of yous. I think it was Marky's. Oh, right, okay. There's this one piece of hair on my head and it's just going the complete wrong direction. Sadly, I don't drink. There's nothing sad about it, Deck. Sometimes not drinking's a good decision. I rarely drink, but it is my birth weekend, so I will be drinking. But usually I don't.
Pesky bee.
Thanks for that, Kaz. Loving the pesky bees. I'm gonna get something good at the end of this? Probably not. A fucking pig! Okay, sweet. A new book in the series I will be releasing soon. What series is that, Jamie? I need more books to read. Well, not more books. I need to read more. Like, I haven't read properly in a while, so I need more books to read. I've now got my cider. H isn't drinking as he's not been feeling great. Oh, bless. I hope H is okay. But yeah, thank you, Ken, for joining me with some drinks. Oh, fair. I've not heard of it. I don't think I have, anyway. You need a carrot and a stick with that pig. Okay. You can shove both of it up my arse. Let's see if there's any secrets down here. There's a character. Clown Rubber Mix. Dark Fantasy MLM Romance. Of course, Jamie, you are the type of person that would like that. Not that that's a dig or anything. Expect a lot of gay tunes today. Is all I'm saying. My music taste is essentially gay with a bit of randomness on the side. Yes, Deck, you get it. Not read them, but Amazon recommend. Well, if it's good, let me know, because I'm not big on fantasy, but I may check it out. They're so good. I'll look into them. Yes, Dex loving the music today.
The box. You
Gotta go. You
opened
guys
it.
enjoy. Well, welcome
I
in,
came.
Crumbles. Hey, Crumbles. Thanks for popping in, Kaz. Hopefully, I'll see you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Welcome in, Crumbles. How are you doing? Hello. Hope you're doing good. You've made it in time for some chilled vibes, alcohol, and you've missed the cake. Sorry, Crumbles. You have missed the cake. Oh, is it snowing for you? Jealous. It was snowing the other night, but it's not stuck, so no snow. The cake is a lie. Don't listen to
Crumbles
them.
just redeemed
Ardos is
hydrate.
lying. Thanks, Crumbles. Currently got a Malibu and Pepsi Max. Right, we've got like basically got everything to do in this map. Should be some stuff to colour up around here. Don't worry, if you miss the cake, just text. What is it with you and advertising my blue sky all the time, sci-fi? He's your marketing manager. Well, he needs to improve. Thanks, Deck.
Deep Shard just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
Okay, this is a particularly gay song, so don't judge me, please. I'm trying my best as your marketing manager. Well, you're not doing good enough. Sorry, hun. It's it's merch, not shop. There you go. Thanks, so sci-fi. Damn it, you were close. I'm not doing great as your marketing manager. Yes, you're aware. No items found. Set twink age equal twink current minus. Right, one more. Oh, there's something like right next to me apparently. Let's see what else is around this beach. Because how far into the game are we? 56.8% is all we're in. Shit. Hopefully we'll bump it up to 60. If we reach 60 today, I'll be happy. 60, which I believe is Ken's age. But I don't know, I could be wrong about that. You try it out, Oz, you try it. Okay, wait, where's the character? I'm 67. Almost said it. Almost said it. 69, yeah, there you go. That's a better number. Nice one, Ken. You're too old to see me in my Robin costume then, Ken, if you're 69, sorry. Looks like you won't be getting any eyefuls out of it.
I should spend more time in the countryside.
What position would you... Now you've set Jamie off, I hope you're happy, Ken. Fuck's sake. It's so easy to set off. No, I'm not. I don't care, Jamie. I've got trust issues around you.
This is going to be a good day. Yeah.
It's you and me, you'll be your life's like cardboard cut out of you. If that's what you want for Christmas, if that's what you want for Christmas. Oh, for fuck's sake, that's so annoying. Right. Yes, I want to steal this car. Stack. Shh. Don't say that.
Hey!
Right, we need to steal this car, so we need to try and not crash it, which I can do. I can not crash this car. This is pretty good, like, Robin car music. It's my birthday! You can't be doing shit like this to me.
He just redeemed. Effect. Frame skipping.
For fuck's sake, Ardos. Okay. Let's just hope that I don't fuck the car up. Looks much better. Yeah, it looks just like a game from the 90s. Love that for us. Really retro.
I'm gonna get in trouble for that.
Oh my god. Shit.
It's gonna need repairing.
Just keep going. Fuck. I was going so far without, like, hitting this card. Fuck! Don't worry, I've only got 6.3k.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you,
Thank
happy
you,
birthday
Rex.
dear Twinkie, happy birthday to
Thanks, Rex. They're all being so mean to me today. I needed that. Everyone except Deck, to be fair. And maybe Sci-Fi, maybe. He's a shit manager, but can't have everything.
Oops, sorry.
All of you! Especially you, Ardos, for redeeming frame skipping. You're lucky I managed to get it done. I'll sort them out. Will you? I'm being nice. I shoved my cake in your face. Did you put your cake in my face again, babe? I'll take it deep. But yeah, welcome in, Rex. How are you doing? Or up something else. Hey. How many points have you got so far, Rex? Oh, what? I'm getting a double bonking for this. Are you serious? I
Deep
know
Shark
that was...
just redeemed bonk.
Oh,
Go to
thank
horny
you, Ken.
jail.
Thanks for the 100 bits there. Guys, I know that was bang out of order, but come on. What? Zach? What about your
Zach
cake? I'll have your cake instead if you want.
2504 just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
I'm sorry. Again, thanks for the 100 bits there, Ken. Shit. Come on, Ken. Don't join in with them, please. Don't bump me.
Ken Hawking just redeemed bonk.
Okay, I heard
Go
the
to
bumping.
horny jail.
It's my birthday. Come on. Well, it's not actually my birthday, but I'm allowed. I've got leeway. Deck. Why are you giving me another one?
Deep
Shit.
Shark just redeemed bonk.
You're
Go
distracting
to
me.
horny jail.
Don't do this. We're not in front of Michael. Michael, fucking hell. Interesting. What's interesting? Don't know what it's for, but I hate being left out. They're bonking me because I said I'd eat your cake, basically. And they've got filthy minds. Because of the offer to... Oh, okay. What if I offer it to you as well, Deck? Anyone else want to bonk me? Jesus.
Sificun underscore 2023 just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
Yeah, we're talking about birthday cake.
Oh, come on.
You guys are so dirty-minded, honestly.
Ken Hawking just redeemed bonk.
I haven't
Go
had
to
any
horny
birthday cake
jail.
yet. I was just like expressing a desire for cake. You guys took it down the dirty route. Nah, I just want to fuck you. Okay, that, to be fair, I feel like that's the general
just
consensus
redeemed
from
bonk.
most of you guys.
Go to horny jail.
Being the warden is a horny offence. Bribing the warden's only offence, sorry. Okay, I'll spank you. Birthday bonks! I mean, yeah. If that's what you want to call it, Ken. I've heard that expression before. In which case, I'm going to get another bonking for saying that. The desire.
This is an emergency.
Really isn't even... How am I... What? Everyone's just...
Sificun underscore 2023
spamming
just
at me.
redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
I know, I need to go to horny jail.
on the way here.
Thanks, I need a lot of help right now, G. Stop bonking me in front of in front of George Michael. It's so
Deep
upsetting to
Shark
me.
just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
I think one daddy is quite enough.
Give him the goose grease, Daddy!
Sure thing, Grumbles. George Michael certainly would not have minded. Yeah, but that's only if I bumped into him in the toilets. I have to wait until June for birthday bonks. Oh, Ken. At least with being a January baby, you have it straight away out of the way at the start of the year. You're not like the birthday bonks we're giving you. Well, I'd show you where I'd want you to bonk me, but I would get flagged by terms of service if I bent over, flash my arse. October for birthday bonks. Good to know. What have we got left to do in this area then? 2 boulders, 1 ATM, car robbery, got a cat to save, a coffee to drink, and a fire to put out, and a drill to drill. There's quite a lot to do in this area actually.
Yeah.
Hometown.
They do, to be fair, sci-fi, they do. Give me your money.
Sorry, police business. Oh no! Hey!
How much you want? Everything. No, I'm not that greedy. It's H's birthday at the start of next month. Nice, he's a February baby. Just like my mama. My mama's a February baby. Get me nuts, man. Do you know what song I really hope comes on, Ken? Your favourite song. I really hope that song comes on today. Can pretend I'm still young until April birthday month. How old are you, Zach, if you don't mind asking? You still look young and like a twink, so...
No chance.
You know you can just put the song on, right? It's not like the 80s when you... Yeah, I do know that, Ken, but I'm just saying that there's a possibility that the song may come on, and sometimes you're... I know you like the song, but I know sometimes you're not in the mood for it. God, Ken, you're getting so bitchy lately. Oh, good boy, Zach. I am 34. Damn, I would not have thought you were that old, Zach. Don't look it.
shouldn't have eaten that. That was weird.
So young.
I know I saw it somewhere around here.
If it makes you feel better, I think you're one of the youngest here, Steph. Yeah, I think I am. Even Dex older than me. You the baby. I feel like it. I do feel like it. TARDIS? It's a red TARDIS. If you want to feel young, surround yourself with pensioners and compete. I mean, every time I stream, I feel like I surround myself with pensioners. Okay, forgive me for that one, guys. I just saw my chance and I took it. I'm sorry, that was evil. I know that was evil. I know that was evil. I know, I'm really sorry. I feel like it was earned with how rude you've been to me lately. I'm sorry. That was evil, I'll admit. I'll set him up, you knock him down. Oh no.
Did I park here?
Hey, we got a bit of Tina Turner going now. We all love a bit of Tina Turner. What, so I've got to drive
Each
everywhere
just
now?
redeemed ban
What?
in-game action. Running.
Fuck.
Udders_T redeemed effect. Twink death.
Bitch. I will try and combat that effect. If I stop looking like a twink though, I know who to blame. Am I allowed to leave the car quickly? Probably not. And you will fail. No, I won't. Why do you guys want me to stop being a twink? The moment I stop being a twink is the moment you guys will stop watching me. And you can be replaced by Greg. Wow. Wow. I know who your preferred person on the stream is. Thanks a lot. If you stop being a twink, I might finally redeem the OnlyFans.
My car insurance is gonna skyrocket. Wow!
Ken's preferred person. Yeah, but Ken's a cunt. Jay, welcome in. Thanks for the lurk.
I_Seth just redeemed lurk.
I'm glad you can make it for the pre-birthday stream. I hope you're doing good. Greg's so lovely. He is. What's your motive, Ken? I love Madonna, but I'm not in the mood for this song. Or this song. Or this song. Or this song. Now
Deep
this is a good
Shard
song.
just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
Who's that for? Just complimenting an actual twink. Oh, I am an actual twink! Fuck's sake. The clue's in the name. Nostalgia twink. I'm a twink. Fucking bastard. Closer. Oh, there's. Yeah, but it's not really nostalgia twink, though, is it? It is! Oh my god, I hate you guys. You're upsetting me on my birth eve. This is not what I expected today. That was close. Your Insta says otherwise. What? Bitch. Why are you guys so mean to me? It then becomes being nostalgic of the time when he was a twink. What? What a fun fact about Spider Snake. No, it wouldn't. Fuck you guys. That would insult me more than anything. You chose your bloody Insta name, don't blame me. Yeah, and the name is still a reference to how gay I am, Ken. Are you gay? I won't lie, Zach. I am a bit mad for cock. I don't know why. Just something about cock. I'm obsessed. I'm hooked. I took it once and I just thought, wow, life doesn't get better than this. And then I was just hooked. No way out of it then. I was trapped for life in my love of cock. Just to clarify. I hope that clarified it for you. I'm not gay, but my husband is. Most straight men are obsessed with cock. That doesn't count for being gay. Well, if you can take as many as I took in one night once, I'm pretty sure you can say I'm a gay. Lena.
My box will get livid if I'm late again.
How many? Now, that is a number you'll never find out. Fuck you, Ken. It was higher than those two numbers. This song, I love this song. Yeah, it's a good one.
I better mail that package.
Of course, Ardos. How can this not be taken by the local football team? It'd be such a missed opportunity for them. There's gay, then there's straight. But it looks feminine if that's smash. Then there's actual straight. Yeah. Yes, agreed. So many remixes of this song. I need to tell you something. Nah, whatever it is, it can't be that important. You guys have given me major trust issues. Major. Steph's a traitor. How am I a traitor? Get up there. Oh. That looks so much better. So we got 25 more super bills to do. Hey Steph, you know that on because I don't know her, but I know of her. Like I know she, I knew she was in the show. Oh, sad music time, guys. If you're not in the mood for sad music, let me know and I'll change it. Yeah, I heard there was it 2 Welsh people in the Traitors this year? No, wrong guy. Nope. Fuck. How is the Traitors this year? You guys enjoying it? I still haven't seen a single season. Thanks, Jamie. Good timing.
Diank just redeemed hydrate.
Let's see what's Robert challenge. Let's see what else there is.
Ardos_ he just redeemed stand up and watch the Traitors.
I'll do that at the end of the stream, okay? At the end of the stream, I'll stand up and I'll go and watch the Traitors. Amazing, phenomenal, gets better each season. Nice, good. Good twink. That is me. I am a twink. See, Ardos? You call me a twink. That must mean something. Come on. Guess what? What? You finished the blanket? No sitting down before you are done with the seasons. Oh, fuck. Okay. Hmm. How do I get in you? Yeah. I have weaved all the ends. Yes, sir. Well done, Deck. I saw there was a Hugo from Cardiff. Yeah, I hear there's like two odd people, two or three people in traitors this year. Apparently, there's a car to rob in here, but there's no way to actually get in to rob the car. Or is it a car robbery? It's for me to rob the car. How do I? There's no way in there to rob the car though. Maybe you have to do them in a certain order. Okay, let's go to the next part of the map then. Unless maybe... Can I break into here? I did not mean to do that. Why is it saying the vehicle robbery challenge is in that one when it's not in this one? Weird. Now to add a border. I hope it goes well for you, Deck. We need to see what it looks like though. Come on, you need to show it off. This is it, guys. This is my theme tune. Most of you know this song because of me, which is an achievement in itself. This is literally my theme tune. In your own words. Spoilers? Oh, come on, Deck. I just want to see what it looks like. And the blanket. Nice one, Aldos. I'll play this song when I do my last ever stream, guys. It'll be the last thing you'll hear on my streams. On my last stream. Whenever that is. Oh, wait. Fucking dead. Does that mean this is the last stream? No sci-fi. I just mean in future. This may be the last thing, the last song I
It's
play.
gonna need repairing.
Can you please run your hand down the left-hand side of your head? It's pissing me off too. It keeps sticking out though, Ken. Look, I'll sort it out now, and it'll move again. Okay? See, right. I'm glad it's pissing you off though, Ken. It almost makes it worth it. Sorted. See, it'll happen again. I'm telling you, it'll poke out again. I'm so glad it was pissing you off.
I need to borrow your car.
You will see me again, Deck. Just not everyone else will. Fuck them. They're so mean to me, Deck. Nah, I'm joking. I love you guys all, so... Yes, even you, Ken. Even you. I already have original, trust me. It's just not sticking. Yeah, keep staring at it. It's gonna happen. There's no stopping it. If it wants to do its own thing, it'll do its own thing. And no, I'm not skipping this song. Sorry.
You're gonna get in trouble for that.
Oh, that's great parking, actually. Yes. Well, between Deck wanting me to stay, me and Discord and Ken wanting you gone and waiting for Fresh Battle. Yeah. Honestly, both opposite ends of the spectrum there of hating, loving me. Is there any secrets around here? Then why'd you keep acting like you want me gone, Ken? The secret to eternal twinkhood is sucking my... Oh, never mind. I'm not getting away with that one. No chance. Right, I'm not being funny, but I've built this one before on stream, haven't I? This is the castle. I swear I built this twice already on stream. Oh wait, no, never mind, it's not the
Ken
castle.
Hawking just redeemed bonk.
Yeah, I
Go
didn't
to
think I was going to
horny
get away with
jail.
that one. Fuck. Oh, and Deck as well, fuck's sake.
Deep Shah just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
Fair enough. I deserve that. I respect that.
Whoever left that?
Sorry, it's an
Oh,
emergency.
come on. Birthday bonkins again? Really, guys?
Tificun underscore 2023 just redeemed bonk. Go to horny jail.
Anyone else want a bonk? Would you prefer birthday blood? I would actually, but not from you, Ken.
Ooh, dentist visit today. I bet he gives me a lollipop.
The birthday bonkin provoked him traumatic memory for me. What? Oh shit, sorry Jamie. Remember you're right, I got birthday bump so bad that I was
Deep Shah
black the
just
next day.
redeemed
Oh,
bonk. Go to horny jail.
it's okay. Wrong knee? No dear, you've got the wrong end of the stick there. I'm sure I have, Ken. I'm sure I have.
Ooh, what shall I have for lunch?
Deck, it's your time to shine. Jesus. I do like this song, but I'm not feeling it. Okay, this is the tune. I like this.
Just know I haven't got the job.
Just fits on his bonus.
Why isn't it Saturday yet? This week
I think that is what sci-fi suggests then, which is not surprising. It is sci-fi after all. Give it a good drilling. Wow. We did it.
No chance.
Drill ferrell. Okay. Apparently there's... Oh, I see it.
They didn't know. Oh!
How do I ride it? I want to ride it. If you don't know by now, you... I know how to ride it. I'm not talking about that kind of it. I'm very good at it, actually, so shut up.
I'm hungry. My feet ache.
Alright, fuck off, Ken.
Nothing stops me eating
Poor H having to deal with your shit all the time.
Ow!
Nice, you only got 22 left.
That was
Why is this song so similar to Gloria? What, with the instrumental you mean? I kind of hear it. I love this song, it's one of my favourites. I thought I could... Never mind. Crazy scientist! Not this bit at the start it did. Yeah, okay, I can get it here. I'm lovely to H. I'm lovely to all who deserve it. So, everyone but me can. Oh, come on, Ken! I preferred you on New Year's Eve. You were so nice on New Year's Eve. What happened? It's kind of wild we have a very cool... Yeah. I hope you guys like my music taste, though. Fuck. How am I meant to get up there? Shit. Shit. How am I meant to get up there? I really don't know how I'm meant to get up there. Can't quite make it with the jetpack. I can't jump off the things either. That's gotta hurt. Pop mum and don't tell his dad that informs me of my music taste. That's understandable. I loved you being nice, Ken. It just felt like you were after something. And put me on edge, okay? Helicopter? No, because it's kind of fun, like, it doesn't let you just jump out of helicopters, weirdly enough. It's very selective. You've got to go to certain areas to get out of a helicopter, which is stupid. I hate, like, you can't just jump out of a helicopter. You've got to, like... Yeah, you've got to get off at certain points, which is so annoying. Yay! Nice Ken! Dreams do come true. Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh, do you know what? I give up. I'm not wasting my time. It is just a waste of time now. Let's see if maybe this will help. Thanks for being nice, Ken. Love ya. Okay. Shame about Justin Timberlake, but good Madonna song. I was hoping maybe that would launch me in the air or something. Fuck.
Hello there. I'm completely lost.
Blow that fucking statue.
I can't
Thanks, Ken. Is that sarcasm or are you trying to be make an innuendo? Madonna. Red brick. What is it? Gas. Okay. That was useless. Did not need that. Fucking alien. Ten more aliens to catch. Just commenting on how comfortable he looked on a boat. Like he'd be right at home surrounded by rough boys and seamen. I do like a good seaman. I hear they do like a good fill-in. Come on, Deck. Come on.
Deep Shard just redeemed.
I can't
bonk.
finish this blanket
Go
in
to
4
Horny
minutes.
Jail.
Deck, you're fine. Calm down. You'll be fine. They do a good creamy fill-in. Good to know. Hula dancer. Sounds just like me. I'm surprised this hasn't started coming up yet. Like poking up the side to piss Ken off.
Oh, I forgot it. Oh,
Is no one gonna comment on how straight this song is? I feel like it's usually the kind of thing one of yous would fucking comment on. No one said anything yet.
yeah.
7 more fires, nice. Well, you are straight, aren't you? Oh yeah, darling, I'm so straight. Oh yeah. We all are. Apparently your hair likes me and does what it tells it to do. Maybe you should start pulling on my hair, Ken, and see how much it likes you then. It's a straight song used for darts, I believe. It is, yes. That's where I know this song from. My dad is a massive darts enthusiast, so I hear this song quite regular. Don't react like that, Ken. I'm not so deaf. I see ya. You can pull it too if you want. There's lots of it to pull. Going straight to head, pulling. Well, I need more Malibu. There's not that much left. I used to be the only openly gay player now. Nice, fair play, Cam. I could never get into football. Football or rugby, nothing like that. Oh wait, we're talking about darts, sorry, yeah. I don't mind darts, but I'm not good at it. I actually really enjoy darts, I'm just not good at it, at all. Greg usually goes to play darts with my dad. I don't play it that often because I'm just not that good. I wish I was good at darts, but the only thing I'm good at aiming is my... you don't need to know. It's information you guys can live without. Oh, fuck. Okay, great spawn in there. Oh, fuck off! I didn't mean to do that. No one judge me, okay? I didn't mean to do it. Good song, innit, Ken? I love this song. Tune! Love a little bit of Belinda Carlisle. My favourite pop song ever. Really, Ken? I wouldn't have thought this was your, like, absolute favourite. But nice, good song. Good song choice. Let's chase after those bastards. Why was I dealt a shit card there at the start? For fuck's sake. It was Adams, it was! You saw what happened there. So many of us type a second, but this always wins. Good choice, Ken. Wow, you've got great music taste. Fair play. I'm not talking about it. I'm not talking about it.
Yowzers!
Come on, he needs 2 more hits. That should have killed him. It did kill him. What? That is bullshit. I knocked him over. That is bullshit. I was fucked over by the start there. We already mentioned Glory, which is second place one's along with Self-Control. Self-Control is one of the best songs out of the 80s ever in general. Just one of the best 80s songs ever. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. 2 health bars down already. Laura Branigan as an artist is so slept on. She deserves so much more love. One of the best artists out of the 80s.
Out of my way! Stop! Or I will keep running after you!
Oh, one of my favourite ABBA songs. One of the best ABBA songs.
Yeah!
Can you hear the fire alarm, Fernando? Right, let's see what else is around here. That's already done. I don't know why that's still there. pig. Okay. One of ABBA's best songs, am I right, guys? Or have you guys got a different opinion on this song? Oh, fuck's sake, I went over the roof. Shit. Okay, maybe this should bounce me back. No, that does not bounce me back. Still does your mother know for me, despite the previously mentioned issue. That's because the Christine Baranski version is so much better. The original Does Your Mother Know is really disturbing, actually. But the Christine Baranski version, so much nicer. How am I meant to get this fucking pig?
No!
Does your mother know you're gay? Sadly, she does. I wish she didn't. Fernando's. That's where we're heading for. The Isle of Fernando! Does anyone get where that reference is from? Please say there's someone else out there that knows. Come on, there's gotta be some... Yes! Jamie, yes! I was so nervous that no one else would get what I meant when I said that. To the Isle of Fernando! How am I meant to get this fucking pig? All of us that are a certain age know. Good, because there's a few people that don't know. A few people that don't know what that reference is. She's everything Christine Baranski does is automatically better. She's not Mother, more drunken and feeling up the way. Yes, and to be honest, sometimes that's better than Mother. Sometimes.
Why didn't I eat breakfast?
No, I don't. How? It's from a TV show called Take Me Out. How the fuck am I meant to get here to get this pig? I really don't know how I'm meant to get this pig. Weird. Okay. Yeah, this is what like I struggle with this game sometimes. It feels like actually getting stuff just feels like, I don't know, you just feel like you're stuck on trying to get one thing sometimes.
Only great
For fuck's sake. Just get on the fucking roof, like. I do kind of like the song, but not today. Okay, this is a tune. I accept it. Oh.
What's up?
Voices.
Hi there.
Yeah, same here, Ken. No straight person can say her name either.
What's going on? Wait, if this is the wrong street, then where is the building? Another fine day at Lego City.
She's a total Betty.
How am I meant to get on that? That's bollocks. How am I meant to get on that? This is what like I struggle with sometimes. Is how you actually get to some areas. Like I'm so lost right now.
Can't believe I only get a lousy half hour for lunch.
Sorry.
Okay,
police
we're stealing the
business.
ice cream truck.
Whoa! Ugh.
Rackaman. 6 characters, 1 ATM to rob, 1 flowers to plant, 1 robbery to stop, which I've done. I don't get why it's not registering it. I've stopped that car robbery. I don't know why it's not ticked it off for me. Can I have this? Of course you can, Ken. Anything for you.
I forgot to pay the water bill.
Hmm. Any fans of a Doctor Who episode called The Giggle, you are gonna love this song.
Hey, how's
I expect way too much.
my dogs are barking?
Not a good feeling.
No sci-fi. I can't turn it off. What's wrong with this song? Why do you guys not
Ha
like
ha
it?
ha 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 ha.
It's such a good song. Why is everyone hating on it? I'm a Giggle fan as well, Jamie. I actually really like the episode.
No 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 no
Okay.
no
Sorry.
no 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 no
Good song.
no
Good song.
no 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 no.
Sorry, Ardos. It is a good
no
song.
no 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 no.
No, that last note was very final. Jesus. And me, apart from the bi-generation stuff. Yeah, same. Everything up until that whole regeneration bit is solid. I really enjoy it. I don't think it's that bad at all until the whole bi-generation stuff. There was so much authority in that last note. I know! That was way too, like, authoritarian. Jesus. Right, let's go to a different area of the map. We've been here for quite a while now. We have been in this part of the map for a while. Let's see where else we can go. Same, Jamie. I actually think it's such a well organized episode of the show. I feel like the whole pacing and everything of it's really good, which you can't say for most Doctor Who episodes.
Delicious. Sorry, it's an emergency.
Love some Stevie Nicks. Okay. Not too bad. Neil Patrick Harris made a great villain. Didn't really have to be the Toymaker. No, yeah, no, it didn't need to be the Toymaker. But like his performance surprised me. I was really not expecting much from him. But he blew me away. He was actually really good. I was really not expecting him to be good, to be honest.
That is gonna leave a dent.
Fuck's
Oh. Yeah.
Nice, 6 more. And of course he had to have a great dance scene. Of course! I thought it was really good as well. It's probably one of the best moments of the episode for me. Graduate. Oh my god, me in like an alternate reality. Nice. 200 gold bricks left. 199 gold bricks left. To be.
I should really make a start.
It still makes me smile the entire routine, no matter how many. Yeah, same here. It's just a really good moment. Like it, I don't know. It's just like I love when Doctor Who feels fun to watch, and that whole moment feels really fun to watch. Just really fun.
Shouldn't have eaten that.
Yes, that worked. You guys like fun things? What are you, some kind of gay? I do love a bit of cock, yeah. Let's get this pig back where it belongs. I agree, cock is fun, yeah. I hope not. I'm watching you at church and everyone's watching. Good. Good sci-fi. $12 more pigs to return. I hope you're on your knees. Yes, sci-fi. We all hope you're on your knees. Praying. Of course, yeah, praying. I do like a bit of Material Girl. I'm in a
How's things?
particularly kind of fussy mood about my music right now. Let's see what's in the list. What's coming up? This is a good song. I think it's fitting as well before I turn 25. 26. I wish I was turning 25.
Feeling good.
Steph, you've reached your deadline. Shut up, sci-fi. Oh my god, guys! I only needed to fumble one sentence, and you guys will come for me. I mean, I wish you guys would come for me. Oh, do you mean? Yeah, no, it's because I was running late. I'm gonna stay here for a bit longer. I've got time to run a little bit later. Because I did start the stream later than I planned to. To be fair, the times aren't like deadlines. Like, they're not strict. Like, the times aren't exactly strict. It's just like an estimate of how long I reckon I'll end up streaming. So I've got plenty of time, sci-fi. Nice. Fairy route activated. One more left. Okay, Ken! Oh, attitude in that sentence alone, Jesus. Well, at least I'm still the youngest here, guys. So, what does that say? We are basically kidnapping these aliens. We're forcing them to spawn. Then we chase them and arrest them. It's a bit cruel, really. Thanks for the memories. Thanks for the memories.
I will post that day.
I need to do some shopping.
Don't think that really advanced me anywhere. There's a lot of stuff on that rooftop, though. Let's get up there. Somehow. Who's 20? Yeah, who is 20? That's one erect plant. Jesus. Forgot how long it takes to do a scalloped border. Is that what you've been working on so far, Deck? One of Kylie Minogue's best songs, am I right, guys? Another pig, nice.
Another day, another
I think I might have the music and Copperberg. Nice, Ken! I'm glad I inspired that for you. I believe you, Deck. I know it's going to be looking good. Don't worry. From the people here right now, Steph is the youngest. And what does that say, guys? You're all bullying me with Twink Death. It just shows that most of you are sour. Halfway there on the pigs. Beg your pardon, sorry. That was careless of me. I'm not sour. I'm bitter. A bitter old queen. That is most certainly you, Ken. Bitter or sour. No, Deck, you're just cute.
Such a nice person.
Doing real good.
She's late again.
My dream is in 25 years is to be a bitter old queen in the corner of the club bitching about the state of twinks these days. That isn't you right now, Ken? Seriously? I thought that was you as you are.
So relaxing.
I found one person in the Discord who was 19, 20 and the person who was 25. Okay, so I'm the second youngest. What did I know? I'm still young. Yes, fair enough, Ken.
Soaking up some rays.
Hi there.
What do you mean, Ken? That's impossible. Nah. Okay. I love some Vogue. Let's chase after that car, and we shouldn't fuck her up this time. Cheeky fucking twink, uh-huh. The operative word being fucking and twink. Ken, you're so rude. Next time, do that with your coconut, bitch. That didn't damage him?
Whoa! I'm out of here.
There's a show with Sir Ian McKellen, Sir Derek Jacobi. Yes, Vicious. I love Vicious. That is one of mine and Greg's favourite TV shows ever.
That'll be too soon.
100% that's going to be me and Greg in the future. 100% me and Greg in the future are going to be him. I'm going to be Derek Jacobi. He's going to be Ian McKellen. So, right, I'll just quickly be right back, guys.
Great weather today. How's it going?
How could he?
So relaxing.
Whoa!
Where is he?
So relaxing.
Whoa! Ugh!
It's good to see officers out on patrol.
How did they? It starts soon, doesn't it? I forgot it. Ew, what stinks?
Hi, I'm back. Right, we'll do one last thing and then I think we'll wrap the stream up. I have got plans tonight. I need to see some family for my birthday. So, yeah, we're going to wrap things up in a minute. Just one last thing to do. We bar,
Sorry,
thanks,
it's an
Derek.
emergency.
You shit! What? What have we done? What have we done? I'm confused. Ken's just chosen violence. Come on, it's my birthday. You can't be mean to me. I'm just a twink. I hate you so much. What have I actually done? I'm so confused. Ken's just always choosing violence with me. Ken always chooses violence. That is true, actually. He really does. You know full well what you've done. I can't. What? What have we done?
Morning.
I don't know. You have to let him off. He's not 25 anymore. He'll put him in this. Such a tune. I love this song.
Everything is awesome.
Well, Ken, things are serious if you're redeeming that.
Shocked that my boss actually did that. With that raise, I think I earn more than you.
Ken did it. It's something he knows. What have I done? I actually don't know. I'm so confused. I feel like breathing just pisses you off, Ken. Good boy. Show your tits to the lads. Shadows. Shh. He's just being dramatic.
tits.
Sorry, Ken. Tits! I feel like every time this song plays, I'm always like on a pig doing this. It's the Copperberg. Yeah, it's the Copperberg. It's making him crouchy. Ten more pigs left to return. You're loving the music, really, Ken. You're just a moody butt.
Gypsies, tramps, and thieves. We'd hear it from the people of the town. They'd call us gypsies, tramps, and thieves. But every night all the men would come around and lay their money down.
Oh, thank you. That's a brilliant way to wake me up. Oh, thank you, Ken.
Phew, what's that?
Sorry, police business.
Alright, one last thing and then we'll wrap the stream up. And you guys can redeem whatever you want, whatever chaos you want, redeem it now because we're going to start wrapping up the stream. So, anything you want me to do the last time, I'll do it as a 25-year-old.
Oops, sorry.
Stop it! Be still!
Cificun_2023 just redeemed. Stop what you're doing.
Okay. Nice one. I've got a video call him at 2:59 then. Oh my god, is it going to be like a multi-call? Bit rude. I called Greg at 2:50. Okay. You bitch.
Others_he just redeemed. Stand up and mourn the death of your twinkness.
I'm still a twink.
Wait, if this is the right street, then where is the building?
Why isn't it Saturday yet? This week is going so slowly.
My boss will be livid if I'm late again.
Hey!
Fuck's sake. I can't stand up because the camera's not letting.
Then I get to go back to work. Yeah!
Right, okay. This is me. Oh my god, I can't.
What's new?
This is me mourning my twinkiness because apparently I'm going to lose my twinkiness. And that's not going to happen anytime soon. Why, what have I done? Why is everyone reacting like I just caused the end of the world on stream? My twinkiness.
I'm so glad I moved to Lego City.
The Malibu's gone straight to his head. Fuck off.
Crumbles just redeemed. Stand up and I can't handle the anticipation anymore. Become 26 now.
No. I refuse.
Cificun_2023 just redeemed. Eye contact.
I should spend more time in the countryside.
I hope that was as awkward as it was for you as it was for me, Sci-Fi. Okay, one last thing before we wrap up the game. Yes, it was very awkward.
Why don't you just die?
Okay. You guys just really want me to age up, huh? Either age up or die, I can't quite tell with you guys. Thanks, Original.
The original Stoprid Light just redeemed hydrate.
Hey, what's up?
Yo,
I should get a juice.
It seems like you guys want me to, though.
Crumbles just redeemed stand up and skip 26, be 27 right away.
Deck, what have you clicked, you bitch? And also, fuck you, Crumbles. So rude. Happy 36th birthday, Steph! It's not even funny.
I hope I get it.
I'm not sure I trust those directions.
Why did I have to choose a diet that stops me eating chocolate?
I hate you guys. This is my birthday eve, and you're talking to me like this. How old is Greg? He's 26. He's older than me. You wub us. Well, you guys don't wub me, so fuck you.
Why did I have to choose a diet that stops me eating chocolate?
Ooh, another good Kylie song. This is one of her best.
Hey!
how's things?
That is a lot of characters unlocked. 64%! Yes! We've only got 30... Well, we've got 35% left of the game. We're so close to getting this game done. We only need 189 gold bricks as well. We're doing good. We need to know if we can replace it with a younger hot. Go and watch Gaius Fairy. Fuck you guys. And for that, I'm ending the music there. Okay guys, it's time to wrap things up. Sorry, yeah, it's been a quick stream again today. I hope you guys don't mind. It's been a lot of fun. Your last time seeing me as a 25-year-old before I age up. I don't know if he is today. He says he was in yesterday's stream and he said he's planning on streaming soon. Yeah, he's not. Well, this is it, guys. So if you wanna redeem anything or say anything before I go, I won't be streaming until the 14th. So you guys have got 3 days away from me before I stream again. So try not to enjoy it too much. Yeah, I hope you guys don't really hate me because today's made me feel like you guys just come here to bully me at this stage. Oh, fuck off, Ken. Goodbye, happy birthday. Thanks, Jamie. Kind of awkward of Gears Fairy, he doesn't like me. Why? Oh, but I'm off now, guys. I'm gonna have a good time in Cardiff tomorrow. Gonna have a few drinks with some family tonight. I'm gonna be a 26-year-old next time you see me. Yeah. So, is there anything anyone wants to redeem or anything before we go? We definitely come here to bully you. Yeah, but you guys like me, right? That's the important thing, as long as you guys like me. I'm definitely not doing a naked stream, and I'm definitely not doing the OnlyFans if you guys are going to carry on like this. Goodbye, 25-year-old Steph. Yes, goodbye. I have got a bit of information for you guys that you will like, but I'm not telling you until I leave the stream. Happy birthday for tomorrow. Yes, we love you. Well, prove it next time. Seriously, though, have a great 26th tomorrow. Thank you, guys. I would raid someone, but I'm just gonna, like, I'm not gonna be, I have to go immediately after this stream, so I won't be able to, like, be there. I like sticking around when I raid the channel, so the fact I won't stay there, I don't want to raid. Not on Twitch, but there's other places for naked streams. There is, but depends if you guys deserve it. Oh,
I like also well, happy birthday.
fuck's sake. Thanks, Ken. Thanks for that. That was beautiful. Don't raid Harry. He's but yeah. But yeah, okay. I'm off then, guys. Come on. Where's just a bit of oomph in chat? Uh, um, yeah. Next time you see me. Actually, let me just double check because I haven't put a streaming schedule up yet, guys. But I'll let you know what the next game's gonna be. Thanks for the butt, Ken. Um, oh, okay. Next time you see me on the 14th, I'll be streaming a new game. I will be streaming Creature from the Krusty Krab. You guys will finally see me play that game in its entirety. I've worked it out. I think that game's going to only take 2 streams to complete. So, yeah, next time you see me, we'll be playing Creature from the Krusty Krab. So, I hope you guys are in the mood for more SpongeBob content. And that was good timing from you, Ken, with Patrick's butt. So, more SpongeBob next time you see me. Fucking hell. That's even better. Thanks for that, Ken. First stream as a 26-year-old is going to be SpongeBob. Was that the big reveal? No, that was not the big reveal. And also, OnlyFans is not the big reveal because that depends on Rex. Right, I'm off, guys. Thanks so much for today. I do really appreciate it. And thanks for the bit again. I just want to go through and thank everyone. I want to thank Deck for the 1 gifted sub that you did. Ken, I want to thank for the 300. Ken, I want to thank for the 400 bits. Ardos, I want to thank for the 100 bits. Original, I want to thank for the 10 bits. Zach, thanks for the 125 bits. I feel like I had more bits today, didn't I? If anyone else gave any bits today, sorry, it's not flagging up for me, but I want to thank all of you guys for that. Did you just start to tongue SpongeBob? No. You got weird fantasies, Ken. From me being awesome. You're welcome. Thanks for all the birthday wishes again, guys. And yeah, I hope you all have a fab day weekend. I'll see you all on the 14th, and I'll end the stream on this note for you guys. I am a smooth twink, a very smooth twink. Bye.